man, what's up?
Damn.
Okay. I can't move.
Let's close the door again.
Okay.
Take 3. What the heck? No, no, no. No.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh god. Okay, I'm good. I was good. I was good. Oh my god. You took too long. Okay.
I look straight into the camera. Just keep going. So you're okay then?
Yeah, a little bit.
No, I died.
Oh, that's what this is. I thought we okay.
So no, I. You're talking about how you're going.
You want what?
Okay. Stop.
I really died. Oh. Okay. Okay. I got it. This bitch.
So, what happened?
Well, I was driving down and I was like, shit, I'm smiling. So redo it.